Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to create consistent videos on Gen 4 Runway ML. So guys, first thing that you will do is of course go to runwayml.com and this will be their homepage. And now from here guys, you could just simply go ahead and select over here on the left side, start a session. Now I have here some tips for you. So here you will have two options. You could either go for the image or video. So guys, for the video, you have to drop an image first. So I recommend going for the image and creating a prompt over here. And now guys, one thing that you should consider is going to the settings over here. And from here, you will have an option of fixed seed. So from here, it will reuse a seed to get similar results across generation. So guys, if you like a video or an output, you can just simply turn this on for the Runway ML to recognize it. And every time you created a prompt, it will generate the same thing or similar video. And now, same thing with the video. Once you have created an image over here, you can just simply go through the settings and make sure to turn on the fix seed over here to get similar results across generation and to get consistent result based on your generation. And now you could copy the seed and you could reuse it for some other time. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.